Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people may have some things lined up for you today. We are going to show you some video with Spice. I teach Rasta how to talk Patois. I have another video with Spice. We also going to talk about Mavado's son, who you know is currently incarcerated. And you know, I have some photographs to show you were released. But before I show you the photograph, I have a clip with Mavado, a brand new song where he released yesterday. And he must sing it in a cappella. And I think the song name Not Perfect, right? So I'm going to play that for you and then we'll forward and show you the pictures them. So here goes.
Strap with mines if I have to. No recoil for me nine that I knock you. Anything me ready for. Lays up on the rifle like Predator. Wish me coulda tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not. It's me. Oh, no.
One thing with the Gulliga, the man voice sound the same from day one up till now, right? And tell me if you don't agree with me in the comment section, people. Now, this photograph on the screen is Mavado's son and two other persons. I don't know the next two, but Mavado's son in the middle. And there's two more photographs. There's a total of 3 photographs, right? So this is the second one. And like I said, I don't know who that is. And then there's a next one. Here is the next one. Now, people, I can't tell you the details of him case or if him case done or anything. You know what I mean? I don't know how that go. That you have to find out for yourself. Or if anybody know, you can comment down in the comment section below so everybody else can see and know what's the update on him, right? But people, let's talk about Spice. Now, Spice posted a video on her Instagram. And Spice look like she a teach Rasta some Patois right now. So, I have that little clip there for sure, you know. I'm going to play it in a second, right? But Spice so easy at all. You see, Rasta don't look like he will learn the language too quick. You should have known this by now, right? But that's just my opinion. I don't know. When I don't watch it, you can't tell me if you don't agree with me. But here is the video. Here goes.
Are you playing with me or you don't understand for real?
If I understand for real, I would have just answered you.
Oh. Well, say it then. Made at me.
I did. I keep saying it. I just said it like 4 times. That's why I keep saying it. I said, made at me. I thought about it. I mean, made at, because what I do is...
I'm going to say it slower. Made at me.
That's what I did. That's just when I always try to break the words apart, but I don't get that.
Made at me.
At me. Am I thinking too hard?
Made at me.
Made at me. Hold on a second.
Made at me. But you hear the word head though, babe. That's clear to you.
So with that video, Spice had a caption that says, when you're from America and you're dating a Jamaican girl and she says, my head at me, and he's like, what the F? And she tag him and say, need a Patois lesson ASAP. Right? Yeah, people, but when you see what I go on, it look like same have a long way to go. You see me? Because that are like basic Patois still, so you know what I mean? That are one of the more like basic thing them for saying our like a dialect, so I don't know still. Spice will go and work on him soon good still. You see me? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now people have a next video with Spice. It look like she and her team just a chill. You know what I mean? She in Jamaica right now. And them just that video, you know, I catch the video late still. It look like Spice run a prank on her team member them, but me never catch a part them. I just hear she a talk about when she tell him about the phone and him want cry and whatever. You see me? But when I go hear it phone itself. But some niceness still in the video because she a sing happy birthday to one of her fans. And you know what I mean? She a big up her team and things. So, you know what I mean? I just I check out people. So big up on yourself, you know what I mean? Stay safe out there and do the right thing. And so I say subscribe if it's your first time. Big up all of my long time subscribers them. Here's the video. Here goes.
I know you can want to recover. We're wicked enough. Adrian, instigate it. Adrian, I walk back at the man. Here, Adrian. Yo, feel like a Ryan thief the phone. Mr. Ryan should have just text something and lick him. Big up living room. Right there, so. It's your birthday? You know I'm the ambassador for the living room bar and dining. Make sure, get the number. Support. Are your birthday for true?
And cut this apparel on Instagram.
Big up, big up. Wanna tell her happy birthday, the little girl come out. All right, chest up. I'm gonna sing her happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Football. Watch Corona. Watch Corona. Right, then, so big up, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Quickly.
We are on the live. We are on the live. We are on the live.
Ryan, it wasn't me, I promise.
Ryan want cry.
It wasn't me, I promise. You're great enough. Put your back in there, bag.
Nah, let's up more like that.
So they must tell friends that me do her something for friends off the phone and see me there.
Big up my fans. Big up my fans, I love you. We're outside. Happy outside. Big up the whole team. Adrian. Where's the Chevy?
Beautiful beginnings. Pick up a sound.
Alright, that's the Team Spice.
Team Spice.
Team Spice.
You don't know, Rice Kid representing for Team Spice, you know. Big up, one queen. Queen of the dancer. Spicy one.
You saw quick man stop ball.
Yo, when I get a phone, so I'm born. Team blast.
Watch body hairdresser.
Yeah.
She go on like she shy, say, girl bad like yours, girl plant. There's something in my scalp.
What's that?
The girl is planted.
Yeah.
The girl a farmer. The girl plant a piece of air. The girl plant them. There's something in me. She shy? Which shoes you talk about? You crazy?
Catch Louis.
But watch your foot, but I lift up. Shoes, but I lift up. Hey, John.
Yeah.
Remember, Lennox man, me buy that. You know, but me see your slippers. Hey, John. Which way you buy this?
A straight for no man.
No, do that.
Man, I could have seen a Gucci for his price.
Gucci or Pucci?
No man, I don't know a long time. Everything I say so I go. This is it. I go man. I have 5 months now. You have to listen.
Listen, we are going because we follow each other. We mouth each other till tomorrow, the man in life. But big up my team. I love my team. Love. Straight.
We love you too, Queenie.
Big up yourself. Yeah. Big up. Team. Big up.
Squad.
Outside.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tanto Blacks. Yadi.